To find Apple Pay contactless payment locations, start by checking if your device is compatible with Apple Pay. You can do this by going to the settings on your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or Mac and looking for the Wallet app. If you have the Wallet app, you can add your credit or debit card to start using Apple Pay. Next, look for the Apple Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol at merchants. The Apple Pay logo is a picture of a hand holding a phone, and the contactless payment symbol looks like 4 concentric circles. These symbols indicate that the merchant accepts Apple Pay. You can also ask the merchant if they accept Apple Pay. Many merchants, including retail stores, restaurants, and gas stations, now accept Apple Pay. You can also check the merchant's website or look for signs at the checkout counter. In addition to physical locations, you can also use Apple Pay online and in apps. When shopping online, look for the Apple Pay button at checkout. When using apps, look for the Apple Pay option in the app's payment settings. To use Apple Pay in stores, simply hold your device near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You will feel a vibration and hear a beep when the payment is processed. You can also use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch by double-clicking the side button and holding the watch near the reader. When using Apple Pay, make sure to keep your device and card information secure. Only add cards from trusted banks and institutions. And keep your device password or passcode protected. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to prevent unauthorized transactions. Overall, Apple Pay is a convenient and secure way to make contactless payments. By following these steps, you can start using Apple Pay at participating merchants and take advantage of its many benefits, including ease of use, security, and rewards.